Okay, Unit 7, Formative 1 for Pre-Calculus. Let's go ahead and take a look at this graph and describe the end behavior. So as x is getting bigger, as x is going to infinity, so is y, so is f of x. So if I take a look at as x is going to infinity, where are they? Here. As x is going to infinity, what's happening to y? It looks like all the answers are going to positive infinity, so that doesn't help us at all. Good times. All right. Well, what about as x is approaching negative infinity? This way. Okay, well, definitely y values are decreasing as well. So as x is approaching negative infinity, here they are, so is f of x approaching negative infinity. So we can cross off a because it says here f of x is approaching positive infinity. It's definitely not. All right, so moving on. We are B, C, or D. Let's see. It looks like the answers here have 5 zeros, 4 zeros, 5 zeros. Let's figure out how many zeros there are, and then we'll cross off another answer. And it says real zeros. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 5 real zeros. So that means the answer is also not C. Okay, the difference between B and D is whether it's an odd degree function or an even degree function. Well, we know it's going to be odd because the end behavior looks like this. Okay, if it was even, it would be ending in both the same direction, right? These two are even. Okay, so this is going to be odd. So that means the answer to number 1 is B. That was a good question. Number 2. This is pretty basic, and it's from Algebra 2, but kids still have trouble with it every year. Where is f of x? Where is the graph equal to 0? Okay, if you put in what value for x, will you get 0 for y? Well, you can see they are right here. 3 points. So we've got, looks like they're counting by 5s, so this is negative 15, looks like above positive 15, so 17.5, and then 25. So the answer is C. And the last one, what's the domain and the range? Well, the domain is negative infinity to positive infinity, so it looks like the answer has to be D. But the range, again, is from low to high, from negative 10, including negative 10, because negative 10 is a point on the graph for y. Like I've got this point here at 5, negative 10. So that's a point on our graph, and we have to include it with a hard bracket up to infinity. So the answer is D for number 3. Peace out.